और अब खबर यह है कि हुकूमत तवानाई के शोबे की तरक्की पर काम कर रही है। पाकिस्तान को माजी में तभी लोड शेडिंग का सामना था। हमारी हुकूमत ने सीपैक के तहत तवानाई के मंसूबे शुरू किए। वफाकी वज़ीर मनसूबाबंदी एहसन इकबाल ने तकरीब से ख़ताम में कहा कि मुल्क की मैशत बेहतरी की जानिब गामज़न है।
Last few years tried to make a transition. When we started China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, under this project we were addressing Pakistan's energy challenge. We did not put all the eggs in one basket. We had some very pressing demands because in 2013 the country faced 18 to 20 hours of load shedding. So we needed something in short term, something that could really give us energy in couple of years. So while we also worked on the coal power generation because that was the easiest solution at that time to give us energy in shortest possible time, and also because Pakistan had a big coal deposit in Thar which had been lying idle for 70 years for lack of financing.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।